Change in leadership always brings changes to the economy, and real estate is no exception. But for smart investors, change is just another word for opportunity. If Trump's proposed policies roll out in 2025, they could open up some serious doors for those of us who are flipping houses, wholesaling, or building a rental portfolio. Today, I'm breaking down 5 policies Trump has proposed or that his team has hinted at, and what they mean for you as a rising real estate entrepreneur. I'll also share practical ways you can prepare to capitalize on these changes right now. First up, deregulation and faster permits. Trump's campaign promises include slashing regulations that make construction more expensive and time-consuming. Cutting red tape could be a game changer for investors, especially house flippers and developers of small multifamily projects. Here's the deal. Faster permits mean you spend less time waiting on approvals and more time getting your project done. For house flippers, that's fewer holding costs and faster turnaround times, which means more deals in a year. If you're a rising entrepreneur, this is your chance to focus on projects where permits have been a bottleneck in the past. Partner with builders and architects who can help you move quickly as timelines improve, and target markets where demand is high, but supply has been held back by slow permitting processes. The bottom line, if deregulation comes fast, investors who are ready to act will grab the biggest rewards. Second, tax breaks for affordable housing. Trump's team has talked about expanding programs like the low-income housing tax credit and adding incentives for workforce housing. That's a huge opportunity for real estate investors to earn steady rental income while taking advantage of tax breaks that can put money back in your pocket. Here's how you can prepare now. Start looking at small multifamily properties. Think duplexes, triplexes, or quads in areas where there's demand for affordable rentals. Analyze workforce housing markets, like neighborhoods near schools, hospitals, and job centers, and research how tax credit programs work so you're ready to apply when the incentives roll out. These tax breaks can help you scale faster by reducing your tax liability and building long-term cash flow. Third, potential openings of federal land for residential development. Trump has suggested opening up federal land to boost housing supply. While this won't happen overnight, it's worth paying attention to, because for investors, land is opportunity. Here's what this could mean for you. Federal land could come to market at lower prices, giving you the chance to develop affordable housing or starter homes. If you're not ready to build, you could flip the land itself to other developers for a profit. Now's the time to identify areas near federal land. States like Arizona, Nevada, or parts of Texas could see these opportunities first. Learn how land acquisition works, including zoning and financing options, and get ready to act fast if this policy moves forward. Fourth, labor shortages in the construction industry. Here's the challenge. Stricter immigration policies could lead to labor shortages, and that could drive up construction costs. But challenges like this are where smart investors stand out. Here's how you can adapt. Look into prefabricated housing, where homes are built off-site and assembled quickly. This saves time, money, and labor. Focus on cosmetic flips, projects that don't require heavy construction, but still deliver strong profits. Think kitchens, bathrooms, paint jobs, and curb appeal. And start building relationships with local contractors now to lock in trusted teams before demand spikes. Being flexible and efficient will give you an edge when other investors get stuck. Finally, rising material costs from trade tariffs. If Trump's trade policies include tariffs on imported materials like lumber and steel, construction costs could go up. But here's the good news. Small investors like us can stay nimble and adapt faster than big developers. Here's how. Source materials locally to avoid higher prices on imports. Build relationships with suppliers in your area who can get you what you need for less. Focus on lighter renovations that don't require a ton of materials. Again, cosmetic rehabs are your friend here. And explore upcycling, reusing quality materials from older homes. Not only does this cut costs, but it's a smart move for your margins. Higher costs will push out weaker investors. Those who plan smart and stay creative will still profit. Here's the bottom line. Change creates opportunity, and Trump's proposed policies, whether it's deregulation, tax breaks, or new land access, are full of opportunities for real estate investors who are ready to move fast. So here's what to do next. Start building your network, contractors, lenders, suppliers, so you're ready to act when the time comes. research affordable housing opportunities and tax credit programs now, and focus on projects where efficiency and speed will give you the edge. Change is coming. Will you be ready? If this helped you see the opportunities ahead, hit that like button and subscribe for more real estate strategies. Drop a comment and let me know which of these opportunities you're most excited about. This is Real Estate Jumpstart. Let's make 2025 your best year yet.